In this video, I'll show you how to change a Threads profile picture. Start by opening up your Threads app. Once you're in here, you're going to want to tap on your profile right here at the bottom right. Tap on it. Now in here, as you can see, when we tap on our profile at the top right, you won't be able to edit this from here. So what we're going to do is just tap on X. In here, as you can see, you'll be able to see an edit profile button. Just go ahead and click on it or tap on it if you're using a mobile device. In here, just go ahead and tap on your profile. And here, as you can see, you have three options. First one is take a new profile picture or import from your device storage. Another one here is import from Instagram. This one is basically the profile that is on your Instagram. And in here, remove current picture. Now I'm going to show you. I'm going to tap on remove current picture so that you can see. As you can see here, my profile picture is gone. All right, to add one, let's go ahead and hit on new profile picture and select the available photo in your gallery. Or if you want to, you can go ahead and capture your photo right here, all right, by using your camera. Well, I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to go ahead and go to gallery and pick an image. All right, say for example, this one, I'm going to go ahead and select it and hit on done right here at the top right. Hit on it. As you can see, find your vibe, explore, and customize new filters for every mood. Go ahead and tap on OK. And if you want to add some filters for your photo, just go ahead and scroll or swipe right. You'll be able to see a ton of filters right here. All right. If you're happy with the filter or you're just happy with the normal version, just go ahead and hit on done right here. Done. And that's how we change Threads profile picture. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.